Good YouTube, it's your boy X back today with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get approved for any car or any credit card. Basically how to build your credit so that you can start getting approved for those things that you've been getting denied for your whole entire life. So let's say that you have a repo, an eviction, or if you have anything that's holding back your credit. That's the first thing that you need to do. You need to start attacking those negative items from your credit report so that you can start building and adding positive trade lines. If you add positive trade lines and you keep the negatives right there, whenever you go apply, you will still get denied for all of the funding. So what you need to do is remove the negatives while adding those positives. So whenever you get done with the credit repair process, you can start getting approved. That is the cheat code on how you can go start getting approved. It's very simple. All it is action. It takes action. All you have to do is learn how to go remove these items from your credit report, and then you have to go get credit builder accounts. So if you don't know how to do that, I will teach you how to do that right now in this video. So what I do is I use the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. The CFPB is the government agency that is in control of all of the things that happen whenever we use consumer contracts. So whenever we sign our name on something that is a contract between one person and another, the CFPB is technically in control over that whole transaction. And also think of it like this: whenever we use our social security number, our IDs and stuff like that, if something fraudulent has happened against you, you can file a claim to the CFPB and they'll go sort that out for you. So what I do is I take all the negative items and I put them in a letter, and I send that letter to CFPB as well as the data furnishing company for the first month. So I make sure that I tell these people that I'm aware that something has happened and it needs to be removed. So once you go do that, it takes about 30 to 45 days maybe. Once you get those responses, you should have a few items deleted. Now, some people have profiles that need 30 items deleted. First month, you can get 15, 20, 25, whatever. The first month is just to chip everything off. The second month is the month where we start going attacking all the things that didn't come off. So if you have a mortgage or if you have something like that, those tend to be a little bit harder to come off because you actually signed that contract and they always have some type of verification or validation in their system that basically hinders the process of you getting it removed. Everything can be removed. You just have to know what to say and what to do, and you have to stay consistent. So if you don't want to send letters yourself, what I do is I just hired a virtual assistant to do everything for me. So whenever someone from my YouTube channel or someone I know needs their credit repaired, I just send a file to my assistant and she handles everything for me, and we just use a software. So all of those days of you going out there and having to repair credit yourself, you don't have to do that anymore. It's AI softwares out here. Bandman Kevo has a software. Dion Kubwood has a software. You can use Prodigy Search. That's the one I first started with. But there's multiple different AI softwares out there that you can use to start a credit repair business to run up 30, 40, however many racks that you need. You can go get that every single month. So after you repair your credit, then you need to add credit builder accounts on there. So self-lender, Ava Finance, credit rent boost. If you add rent backdated, then you will be able to have more history. So if you don't understand what a trade line is, you need to go do your research before you get into this at all. So basically, you need to get trade lines that add age and they add a high limit credit balance so that your utilization goes down and your age or your years of having credit goes up. That's the simple version on how you can go obtain anything that you want using your credit. Now, one other thing that nobody really talks about is having discipline and being consistent. Let's say you did get your credit fixed, right? However long it takes you, whatever, right? You learn how to get your credit right. But now you are one of those people that you never really gotten anything off your credit. You just know how to build it. You never made no payments on credit. You are one of those people that you have to be disciplined. If you make a car payment, or if you have a car payment every single month, you have to make sure that you pay your car payment. So that's one thing, or one reason why people do not like credit, is because they are not disciplined enough. You cannot blame credit. It's not credit's fault, it's your fault. If you can only buy a car in cash because you don't want to make monthly payments, that's because you are financially irresponsible. And you are not disciplined enough to make your payment every single month. It's not hard to make a $300 payment if you rent your car out to other people and they pay you $300 a week. It's not hard. You just have to use your credit to leverage it. Leverage your credit so that you can get assets that pay you every single month. I don't work anymore. I just use my credit. I buy assets. Those assets pay for each other. And they pay for me. They pay for my living and all that shit too. So that's basically just a rundown. A quick little 5-minute video on how you can go build your credit. You can go get you a new car, right? I'm in a Tesla with the white Teflon seats in it. You can get you one too. If you do want to learn how to do this, I have a class in the description. I'm no longer selling CPs. I'm not doing that anymore. It's too much. Y'all need to learn how to do it yourself. Y'all keep coming to me, and I'm not one of those people who always gonna try to call you, talk to you. I can't do it. It's so many people. I have 100, 200 clients. I need each and every single one of y'all to learn how to do it. And then if you need questions or if you need help, then you can come to me and ask me. But I'm not trying to do everything for everybody. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, it's been your boy X, and I wish everybody the best. One love, man. We out.